Okay. Hopefully this looks decent and sounds decent. I was too lazy to put the DJI Mic 2 on. So I'm going to start doing videos about car sales, basically, about buying cars at the auction and fixing them up and selling them and basically being a used car dealer. So the only thing that's kind of weird is I think I'm going to try to do these videos in this portrait orientation. Reason being is because the very easiest way to take videos of me driving cars and working on cars are my glasses here, and they only shoot portrait. So I'm kind of doing this one as a test video just to see how it looks. So I've been messing with a Pontiac Vibe that I bought at the auction. I put some struts on that thing. I did an oil change. So here's what I got so far. This is the other one I wanted to look at, and it's kind of weird. So it's a Vibe, which is a Toyota Matrix. It's good miles. It says it's in-op. It says it runs. So we got torn bumper cover, cracked tail light, a couple scratches, loose bumper cover, scratches, bald tires. But I don't really understand why it's in-op. I think the suspension's about to fall apart, at least if the description is to be believed. Because, it runs. Let's see. Radio is broken, but I can probably find one of those. Transmission pulls. Seems fine. I think it just needs all suspension. AC seems to be working. Definitely need that screen. Okay. I saw the laundry list of shit on the sale information that needs like a lower control arm. It needs both lower control arms, both struts, both ball joints. I think that might be why they put it on the in-op, because they don't want anybody driving it and the fucking wheel falling off from a bad ball joint. So, okay. This looks like a pretty decent car, 115,000 miles. Let's see if I can buy both of these. I have limited time where I can use the lift uninterrupted. Saturday mornings are usually about the only time, so I'm going to come back to the Escape in a minute. Check out this Vibe. Needs suspension. Did notice there's 3 different size tires on it. Got 225, 45, 17 here. Check my lift points. Got a, where's it at? 215, 45, 17 here. Uh, 225, 45, 17 here. 205, 45, 17 here. So I'm sure that is one reason why it drives insanely. Tire looks good, right? That's fine, right? Lovely. I'd say it's time to replace that shock for sure. I'm just gonna do everything. I got shock, spring, lower control arm, ball joint, and sway bar end link. Let's get this wheel off. See what else we find in here. Okay. I don't know. Let me check. Not terrible. Good brake pads. Probably going to do these lower control arms just because I have them and these end links. But I think the main problem is honestly struts and tires. This is the driver's side with a just as good strut. That's the one with the awesome tire with the wire showing. But everything else looks pretty good. These honestly, these lower control arms look fine. I might replace them just because I have them. I think the main problem is struts and the fact that it has 9 different tire sizes on it. So we're gonna get that going. Let's see. Take these out, take the brake off. These, top bolt, bracket. Okay. Sway bar. I'll replace these for sure because I'm gonna have to take the end link off of the strut to replace the strut, and I've got new end links. I mean, like, why not, right? Okay. I might as well change the oil while I have it here. Okay, see how the oil looks. Yeah, not terrible, but it was definitely time. Job for you, Scotty. Don't let me crank this motor before I put oil in it. It's just gonna be up on the lift for like an hour while I do the struts. Don't let me forget to put oil in it. Okay. New filter going on. Not tighten the shit out of it like the last person. Just snug her up. Alright. Looks pretty solid. No real rust. Straight. No damage. Okay. Alright. Nice. Stay. Come on. It's gotta make shit difficult. Now I can turn it out a bit. There we go. I think that dude's about a 15. Let's find out. Play a 15 and not a 17. I'm a genius. There we go. I got 2 struts chilling. Just gonna lower this thing down if I don't kill myself on an oil drain pan. Lower this thing down and do the top strut mount. The ones facing away from me are always fun. Come on. I'm not trying to make this a 30-minute video. Let's do this. There we go. Go ahead and get the new one going. At least snugged up. Alright. Okay, I don't see or feel any fasteners. This is also another reason why I wear gloves. I think it might be just a jerk the shit out of it kind of situation. Yes, looks like it is. Cool. I have pretty much the same access as before. It's pretty funny. This one I'm just going to have to get a wrench on. And this one's socket. I assumed that taking that cowl cover off would allow me to get to this, but it looks much more involved, so I guess wrench as it is, huh? At least they're not too bad tight. Let's see. I say that, this one's going to be like welded on because the first one came off easily. Nah, it's not terrible. Okay. Take these out. Okay. This is the fun part. You gotta hold the strut with one hand. Find a place for your freaking wrench. Take the nut off with the other. Ooh, at least the strut's not too heavy on this car. Okay. Cool. Luckily this side has a little bit more clearance. I can use a ratcheting wrench to make my life much easier. Yeah. Yeah, I bet. Okay. See if I can line this motherfucker up. Almost. Oh, I hate these. It's close.
Don't forget to set your fan back.
Yeah, I think everything I own does that automatically now. Except for maybe my microwave. Hold on.
Yeah, turn it a different way.
Okay, let's try this again. There we go. Okay. Got one, huh? Yeah, 2 would be good.
Alright, got 2 on.
Alrighty, cool. I got 3 on now. Gotta tighten these dudes up. 15, isn't it?
I think they're 15.
Yeah. The stock ones are 14, so they gotta be a little bit different.
Yeah, oh, he's got a bigger size now.
Yup. See if I can do this by myself. No. The answer is no. Okay.
Okay. Alright. Turn it back around.
Do what? Turn it.
Yeah.
Like that.
A little bit more.
Burp.
There we go.
There we go. Alright. A little bit out. Right there. Hold on. Alright. I think that's good. I think I can whack it with a hammer and get it through there. Okay. I think this is it, other than this little bracket. So, come here. Okay. Alright. I think this dude goes like, it's got that little thing. So I think it goes like that. Then like that. Come here. Come here. And then like that. Cool. Normally, this would be where I test drive this car. I don't think I'll be test driving this one. I think I'll be ordering tires. Yeah. Number one, I don't trust that. And number two, I don't think I'm going to be able to tell anything about the suspension with 3 different size tires. Oh, didn't even notice that. That's cool. Yeah, tire time. Did not forget to put oil in it, by the way. Just thought I would mention that, since I mentioned it earlier. I am very dirty, though. Looking forward to a shower tonight. Oh, might as well do air filter, huh? Yeah, it was time. Okay. Also need to see which of the 3 tire sizes on it is correct. So it needs P2, 15, 45, 17. Okay, go get some tires going. Okay, so a couple of things. Number one, I think I need to tighten up the working on cars part, like a quick montage, unless it's something particularly interesting, because that takes up a lot of time and probably isn't that fun to watch. Also, in the future, they should be like more cohesive, because I'm going to try to put out an episode every week, and so it'll be like me doing a little bit of work on the cars I bought last week, and then going to the auction, checking cars out, and then bidding on them, and then seeing what I want, like pick them up and check them out, and kind of continue at that rate. So it'll be a little bit less chaotic and a little bit more like just doing one thing at a time and like a complete story and stuff. But yeah, there you go. And I'll also experiment with the like orientation of the video. I did this one in all portrait mode, just because that's what my glasses shoot, and it's really easy to get like first person view of like walking around looking at cars, or working on something, or driving a car with the glasses. So I'm kind of locked into that orientation for some stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna work on it, and hopefully the next video will suck less.